Okay, so this is just a quick follow-up video to the last video I made, which was Android Basics in Kotlin. It was Unit 1 Kotlin Basics, Pathway 4, add a button to the app, and Lesson 1, Classes and Object Instances in Kotlin. At the end of the code lab, I got stuck on a practice on your own section. Um, in the Kotlin playground, it said give your dice another class attribute of a color and create multiple instances of a dice with different numbers of colors and sides. I did that and that turned out fine, but then I got stuck when I was doing the video on create a coin class and give it the ability to flip, create an instance of the class and flip some coins. How would you use the random function with a range to accomplish a coin flip? So I had initially tried to put in all these different variables and I just re-simplified it a lot. I had initially put some stuff like, oh, there's a variable here and we'll set the variable, we'll give the variable a range and then do random on the variable range and then set the value of that to the variable. And then I try to do like this if when statement down in the flip function for um, you know, if the variable was 1, then return this string. Otherwise, if the variable was 2, return this other string. But I realized I was way overthinking it, and I realized I could just do a random generator and return either 1 or 2. And then the value that is returned from the flip can be the determination of what you display. So basically, I made a coin on object of the coin class, and I called it my first coin. And then I just made if the flip comes back as a 1, you flipped heads. Else, there's only 2 sides of a coin, so you flipped tails. So when I ran it this time, I got heads. I'm gonna run it again. I got tails this time. So it's 50-50, I got heads. I got heads again. So that's how I approached the extra practice on your own problem of the coin flip. So yeah, leave some comments. Let me know if you would have done it differently. If you saw my previous video, let me know uh, how I could have fixed the errors that I was getting because I couldn't figure it out. I was banging my head against the wall, so I just changed the structure of how I was doing it. All right, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you would have done it differently. Looking forward to the next video, which is going to be Unit 1, Pathway 4. We're going to be creating an interactive dice roller app. So see you there.